Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix fast charging not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up and you will see. After swipe up, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your charger. After check your charger and power cable and you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Scroll down and click on settings app, 9 setting. Scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it's not latest, update your software latest. After update software, let us go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.